What happens when the political becomes deeply personal? Imagine the son of a prominent spokesman, arrested under the direct orders of a president. This isn't just a headline, it's a window into the intricate dance of power and silence that characterizes Zimbabwe's current political climate. Rewind to early May 2024. News breaks that Neville Mutsvangwa, son of Chris Mutsvangwa, spokesperson for the ruling ZANU-PF party, and Monica Mutsvangwa, Women's Affairs Minister, has been arrested. The arrest sends shockwaves through political circles and among the general populace, sparking a flurry of speculation and debate. Days later, a bombshell drops. Walter Mzembe, former Zimbabwean Foreign Affairs Minister and a political figure with insider knowledge, alleges on social media that President Emmerson Mnangagwa himself authorized the arrest. Mzembe, a victim of political maneuvering himself, having fled to South Africa following the military ousting of Robert Mugabe in 2017, speaks with authority about the continuity of political control over arrests from Mugabe's regime to Mnangagwa's. Mzembe's bold statement lays bare a critical insight. No political or high-profile arrests in Zimbabwe happen unless authorized by the president. He elucidates that even a vice president, unless acting as president, would consult Mnangagwa before making such a decisive move. The reaction to Mzembe's allegations is a deafening silence from government officials. This silence is not empty, but loaded with tension, reflecting the ongoing power struggles within the ruling party and the sensitive nature of political relations in Zimbabwe. As the days unfold, the arrest of Neville Mutsvangwa and the pending trial continue to dominate discussions. Political analysts and the public alike are on edge, awaiting any response from the president's office or other high-ranking officials. The implications of these allegations are profound, potentially stirring significant controversy and revealing the intricate dynamics of authority and influence in Zimbabwe. In summary, the arrest of Neville Mutsvangwa under alleged presidential orders is not just a singular event, but a reflection of the broader political machinations in Zimbabwe. From the shock of the arrest to the explosive allegations by Walter Mzembe and the ensuing silence from the government, each element underscores the complexities of power, control, and the personal stakes involved in the nation's politics.